Leo. Hello. Welcome to your June 2022 tarot reading. This is Foolish Tarot. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Thanks again for your likes, shares and subscribes. It helps to grow the channel and it helps to get the video to people who might be interested in it and who might be able to, use the guidance well, basically. Yes, I had a little check-in with your energy earlier, and all I can say is that you need to share, right? The Empress, the threes are about sharing. You need to share more, maybe your ideas. Or I also got a sense of you not being able to like you're trying to like not accepting support or resources or help that's there for you, inspiration. It's like you're trying to be, of course this is not going to resonate with everybody and it sounds quite, I guess it just can sound a little bit harsh, but I can't lie when I say I feel like it's a sense of you want to be totally original, totally like unique, when we all want that. We definitely do. But nobody is 100% original and unique. We have to be able to share, and that was a strong thing that was coming out for you. Was being able to share, being able to receive, ebb and flow. I also got a feeling of you feeling a bit alone, or like misunderstood in some sense. So the overall energy is the moon in reverse. So subconscious could be feeling like inferiority. Is that how you say it? That sort of complex that comes in. I do feel like you're in an environment that is challenging you at the moment. It's and you're not, when you're being, this is your energy at the moment, what I'm picking up on, when you're not being receptive and given. The Empress upright is all of those things, following the seasons, just knows how to use the resources around her. When you're coming out as the Empress in reverse, I do feel like you are stifling. There's a stifling energy, and it's like Temperance in reverse, so Sagittarian energy. It's like it's not expansive with your impatience with yourself, nobody else, but you're being very impatient with yourself. And in the environment, either you're still there, or you might have something or someone is being very generous with you, and I feel like you're not. It's not that you have to return that to that specific person. It's not about not putting like massive expectations on yourself to give exactly what that person or that situation gave to you, but it is about like being an empress in yourself, and like trusting the process, trusting that something, I don't know, that I guess with the Ace of Wands, underneath it all there's something that is like trying to be birthed, but I do feel like you're closing it down, and it's your calling, really, or it's a massive part of, it's really important, let's just say that sounds very, very, very vague, very general, but it is really important. It's like The Judgment it's the calling card. I don't want to say a rebirth because that sounds very very generic, but it's you are being impatient with yourself. I think you feel you need to be there now. You've got yeah, you've got to give yourself time, Leo, and you have to accept what's around you. You know, if you know that if you're obviously that's not going to resonate with you if you are being receptive, and if you know if it doesn't resonate with you, then please don't take it in terms of just accepting everything that comes your way, because that's not what I mean. I just mean if you know in yourself that you are if you're feeling the inferiority complex and it's stopping you from, it's just stifling you basically, then this is for you. So we've got the devil energy clarifying the Six of Pentacles. So I feel that obviously the devil energy can be self-sabotaging. That might be what's going on here. It's like a mistrust. There's a lack of trust here. And I think it's a lack of trust in you're not trusting either the environment or this is something you're not trusting. Yeah. Standoffish. Yeah, standoffish. So much earth energy here. I think it's a bit. It really is a sense of I don't deserve it. That might not resonate with you, of course, personally. Whoever's watching this, but it is. I am picking up on a sense of like underneath, like I'm not deserving of this, and I guess so I did mention this superiority. You really, Leo. If you think that accepting, sharing ideas, or accepting some sort of support is you not being, it is you being independent, like you don't have to have it all figured out just yet. You're being really hard on yourself, Leo. Wow. The Queen of Cups. Yeah, the subconscious energy coming out. The Queen of Cups, one more for the Queen of Cups. This could be a person and the Two of Cups. It is. It's a very nice union where you are. It's nice. You might be around somebody who is supportive. Somebody's been supportive to you, or something is very. It's really good for you. It's very nurturing. But this Temperance is like. I don't know if you've put like a lot of expectations on something. It's yourself. You've put expectations on yourself to be the best, and you're the best you. Clarifying the Judgment card is the Seven of Swords. So there is I need to clarify that because I know what I want to say, but it's something overseeing. There's someone or something overseeing your work, okay? That is a very specific message. I do understand that that's not going to resonate with everybody, but there could be there's a fairness going on here. While you're blocking something, there's a fairness coming in, or like I say, something overseeing. I want one more for this Hierophant, please. Yeah, it could be you just getting perspective on something. You might need to just, again, similar to Cancer, take a little step back. Take a little step back. The Eight of Swords. That's when things are so close. Mental, like thoughts are so close, you sort of become entrapped by them. But I do see there's something that will come. There's an organisation, or it could be an organisation. You might get, if it's something to do with maybe, emotional support, or it's coming across this. It's coming across more like the Star card. So it's like that place. It's like a physical place, or an organisation. Could be, a church. It could be anything like that, where you get your self together, or you get a little bit of a time to see things differently. Just to see that there is stuff, that there are things there to help. Ooh. You're not alone, basically, when I was saying about you being a loner. Not being a loner, but certainly feeling it. It's subconscious stuff. I do feel it's just like an emotional vulnerability here, Leo. So, do what you do. Connect. Temperance card again. Subconscious is really, it's really, the subconscious is coming out. Something's made you feel vulnerable. And I do feel it is this environment, but no, it's not. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. This massive feeling of you're just not having faith in yourself, feeling a little bit out of control. Yeah, I mean, the Nine of Cups in reverse. You've got it. You've got it, Leo. But just because we have it doesn't mean we know we have it. The Nine of Cups there it's coming across like somebody who doesn't know how to celebrate themselves, and is not feeling like they're in control of their destiny at this moment. I'm not saying that you feel like that constantly or all the time, but I am feeling that at the moment. Okay. So can I have some advice for Leo, please? Advice for Leo. Advice for Leo. Share. The word share. That's going to get you to a... Yeah, there you are. And one more. One more for Leo, please. The Star card, yes. That's very nice. We have the Six of Swords, the Strength card, which is your card, and the Star card, so that collective. So this, yeah, the going to the strength is sharing. That's the key to getting that a bit of getting a bit of mental clarity. Yeah, to it could be like, I think, departing a place mentally, or just hopeful of that anyway. And with the Eight of Swords as well, it's whoever's around you, or that environment that I keep talking about, like, just have the courage to maybe share ideas. There's a strength there in that group. Okay, Leo. Thank you so much for tuning in, and yeah, take care and have a good June. Okay, bye.